are looking for a work visa in Europe, right? So we do have labor category job vacancies in Europe. Okay, we'll see what are they. We have hotel cleaners, cleaners in malls, we have sewing vacancies, we do have also hotel service staff, and also they are providing you the meals, accommodations and working clothes. Also, I think now you have questions. Are they required IELTS or more qualifications for these vacancies? No, exactly no. They are not looking for experience, education qualifications or IELTS for this. You can go with your just O levels and A levels. Yes, contact GIC Global. We will help you to find the good place.